Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 2 from the worksheet for Chapter 1, Intermediate Algebra class. The objective for this problem is solve a linear equation which involves fractional forms with binomial numerators. Solve for v. 43 equal to 7v minus 4 over 8 plus 8v plus 9 over 2. Here we see on the right hand side, both of them are fractional forms. 8 is the denominator of the first term, 2 is the denominator of the second term. But there is no denominator for the left hand side, so make it look like a denominator by throwing a 1 below. So everything looks in the fraction form. The next step is to find the LCD for all the numbers. So 1, 8, 2 is the least common denominator of 1, 8 and 2. This will be 8. So next step is to multiply everything by the LCD. So I'm going to multiply the left hand side and the right hand side both by the LCD, which is 8. So we get 8 times the left hand side. It's 8 times the right hand side. So each one of the terms gets multiplied by 8. So 7v minus 4 over 8. Then we multiply by 8, the second term as well. This is 8v plus 9 over 2. So that way we get 8 and 8 cancel out. Here we get a 4. So 8 times 43 on the left hand side. You can use your calculator to do this. So this will give us 344. Which is 7v minus 4 plus, you have 4 times 8v plus 9. So we have to distribute the 4. So 4 times 8v, that will be a 32v. Then 4 times 9, that is a 36. So notice here the idea of multiplying by the LCD, both sides of this equation is to get rid of the denominator or to clear the fraction. So now we have to combine the like terms of v, here 7v plus 32v, that can be combined. So it is a 39v. We can combine the numbers on this side, which is negative 4 plus 36, that will be a positive 32. Then you have to isolate that v term. So subtract 32 on both sides. So this would give 39v equal to 312. Then isolate the v by dividing by 39. So we get v equal to 312 over 39, that will be an 8. So the solution to this problem is the variable v equal to 8. It can also be verified by plugging in this v equal to 8 into the original equation and making sure that both sides yield the same value. Now we shall look at a similar problem to problem number 2. Solve for y. 4y minus 1 over 3 equal to 62 minus 9y plus 8 over 2. You notice here the first term and the last term have a denominator. The second term, the first term on the right hand side, the 62 doesn't have a denominator. So throw a 1 below to make it look as if it has a denominator. So divide it by 1. So now the next step is to do the LCD. So look at all the denominators and find out the least common denominator. 3, 1 and 2. The LCD is 6. So we are going to multiply every one of the terms by the LCD. So 6 times 4y minus 1 over 3. 6 times 62 over 1 minus 6 times 9y plus 8 over 2. So 3 goes into 6 2 times. 2 goes into 6 3 times. Now that way we have cleared the denominators, we have cleared the fractions. So all the denominators got cleared this way. That's the very idea of multiplying everything by the LCD. Now we have to distribute the 2 on the left hand side, the 3 on the right hand side. So 2 times 4y, that will be a 8y. 2 times negative 1, that is negative 2. The 6 times 62, that will be a 372 minus 3 times 9y, 27y. The negative 3 times positive 8. See, remember that you have a negative sign in front. Negative 3 times positive 8, that will be a negative 24. So that we get 8, thus we get 8y minus 2 equal to, now you combine the like terms, 372 minus 24, that will be 348 minus 27y. Now we notice here there is an 8y, there is a negative 27y. We have to group all the y to one side. So add 27y on both sides. So if you have a minus, then you have to add to get rid of it. So that will be 348. These two cancel out. Here 8y plus 27y, that will be a 35y. Then bring the negative 2 down, that is minus 2. 35y minus 2 equal to 348. Now you add to both sides. That will be 35y equal to 350. So divide both sides by 35. To isolate the y. So we will get y equal to 10. Hope this video helps.